Thanks for reading the Coins Alert. Thanks for watching. We don't go on and on about crypto, we keep it short. When prices go up and down, stay the same, or change direction, investing and trading is a game of psychology. You have to wait and deal with your feelings a lot. But now everything is set up for the biggest crypto bull run ever. We only need to buy crypto, wait, and hold on to it. It sounds easy, but with the way the economy is right now, costs are going up and people want XRP to grow already. We're sorry, but the only thing we can do is wait. But we do have some very exciting news. A European regulator is thinking about letting Bitcoin risk be added to the $12 trillion market for UCITS. It's worth noting that UCITS are almost twice as big as the US ETF market. Bitcoin went from $50,000 to $70,000 because of spot Bitcoin ETFs. Now, the UCITS are getting involved, which are 2 times bigger than the US Bitcoin spot ETFs. This means that even more money is coming into Bitcoin, which means that Bitcoin will get a huge boost. The market as a whole goes up when Bitcoin does. On top of that, Grayscale has stopped and is selling their Bitcoin. Moving money into Bitcoin ETFs is getting better. Bitcoins are also being bought by Hong Kong ETFs. On top of that, money from Asia is also coming in. Donald Trump is going to accept cryptocurrency as a donation. Crypto is going up because of this. Cryptos are now being used by the 1%, as shown by this. Argentina is going to start mining Bitcoin soon. Fed swaps are now showing 2 rate cuts for 2024, bullish for the markets. We have pension funds, sovereign wealth funds are planned by Bitcoin ETFs, which again, even more money coming into the crypto market. We have big banks getting exposure to Bitcoin ETFs, such as Bank of America, JP Morgan. We have Morgan Stanley considering allowing its 15,000 brokers to suggest Bitcoin ETFs to their clients, even more money, and all of this will bring around $2 to $5 trillion to Bitcoin, and are still freaking out about a small dip in the crypto market. And keep in mind, guys, according to Coinbase, there's around 10, 20 to 30% dips during the crypto market. So this, guys, is one of them. It's all part of the bull run. Now, according to our pile, we have 6 years to make as much money as possible. 6 years until the economic singularity. When we don't understand how economies work anymore, that's 6 years to make as much money as possible or get ourselves positioned when AI and robots change the entire formula for GDP. We should see the money machine going crazy. They call it quantitative easing. And when quantitative easing happens, the markets also go soaring. So, according to the 100-year money cycle, we should see the top of the market happening by 2026. And let's take a look at some of the charts as well. We have the SP 500, the stock market, and we are expecting a blow off top to happen. Essentially, all of the markets going crazy. The stock market, cryptos, bonds, and so on, once again, blow up top. And then after that, guys, we will see the mega crash, black swan event happening, basically a 70% crash happening. We have the recession goal area around the $1,500 to $1,800 mark, guys. This will be one of the biggest black swan events. So once we see the RSI getting close to the trend line, we should see the crash happening. But guys, this shows that we still have a ton more room to move up in. The markets now we have breaking. We have Stanley Druckenmiller selling 30% of his NVIDIA stock. He also says that AI prices could drop 80%, just like they did in 2000. We now have a 1% chance that a black swan event will happen. And most of the money is concentrated in the top 10 stocks right now. One of them has the video in it. So when stocks like the ones in the movie crash, the markets will crash too. One of the most important crypto news sites, Cointelegraph, is talking about the price of XRP. They also said that XRP's price and it just hit its lowest point against Bitcoin. The price of XRP Bitcoin is the lowest it has ever been according to the charts. Based on this, guys, a change will happen in the end. Bitcoin will lose some of its market share as the price of XRP rises and takes up more of the blockchain market. And based on the technical analysis, we had the monthly time frame, the MACD, and the crossing. The XRP price went up by 650x after the crossover of the MACD, guys, in 2017. The MACD split for XRP is now here. So we think that XRP will soon make a similar steep move. And the Robert Mitnick XRP on Bank to price tool says that 1,632 is the most likely value. And now he works for BlackRock as the head of tech assets. That's why Robert Mitnick of BlackRock is talking about an XR with 4 parts. Guys, it's very likely to happen. Based on this trend line, we know that the price has tested this trend line more than once throughout the price history. XRP should hit a price of $246 if it does hit the trend line again after this huge triangle rise. This is about a 369x increase and is half of what it was in 2017. Could we see XRP at $246 during this bull run? The video is over now. I hope you all had fun, and I'll see you in the next one.